Ebusafo mo kai Sidechick a ono nkwa na etime de obi kunu akogina court dem aha air talks podcast na hot on the case and am dey bro yi make sure so be subscribe so onye ya na wa like no wa share no obi nso nye bi ahwe ye twa ma ba esi a Iti Deborah Sairam Adablah ono na the only Sidechick a otimi edi obi kunu kogina court dem say papa no promise no na papa ya ye ka ne wasem ni din de NS ni makon na papa no ye ejuma bank bi a mempese mebo din sisi a na papa no promise no so obeware no o hye ne promise ring na papa no ma ne car papa no han dan ma no a chese dan ne son ye no enu mu na papa no nsensem bi em so hu one or two things bi no say ontimi ne Deborah na bio ti Deborah emfa ni way na papa no so fa ni way na Deborah say ehene ha ubetwi me medi o promise me say obey me say obeware me say no e also ware me by force dan na metimo no e also okoso tua by force nti Deborah e de papa e kopie court na asemi tene wo Ghana ne ba bia obi ase na Sidechick we do akukudro pa o ye nti ni mpeni nsemo da se wo Sidechick utimi twe o boy anase obi kunu Saudi ni kogina court a oyere nankasa ene ne ma etifie nti no obi aye very eager na etie bebi a story ye bekwa kodru the court anase judges omo ho ebeka na last ruling eba out a chese court ebo asem ni guye enu achi kra no ye san bo Deborah eka na court man 7 days se onfa car na papa ne toma no emra na eno no Deborah enti 7 days ne kra so twemu ema court esoma a police for ema mo kofa car no na hokra no Deborah be video se police for no the Rambo star say omo motriti no mbefa car ne koe amanfo say Deborah enso o ha adwen o na court aka asem se fa de bra wa wanfa nko ye beje ye enso a wasan ye video say ye the Rambo star na wa fa car Sidechick we kra wonko ayenya wodien nti ruling ni car ya jejeje no Deborah say onte ase no na nam so ma ne koye sa video na no kra no akotena saloon a chese okoye niti na Deborah etwen camera esi nanim ebra not saloon hono na court ruling or the beto screen so into video ni mo no obekaya court hono eye oba judge any di assembly first na oba judge say ya transfer no they say beef no abe Deborah any new judge ya or release yembefa car no na no okeka nsem bi te say o judge papa penimu be bia utifi edru ya anka ese wo ko retirement kra na wudi asempa na wodi koda din no so wo se unni asempa na emom no wo se wodi ababawa enome ene bekọ a ono Deborah no so beboa wo ama wodi akọ wote ho no eye sika na woje ejuma ese wo ye eme ma wo hu sika no wo se wonye ena ono nso no ote ho no sebe obu ne nsa na obu ne nsa a otopad no ho tax no eno bi ne adi tua wo ka na ya na mote wa mo se court dem de ahonhom ne yabosomsem enkoso ho tena ho na obehu na sem wo court anke keka nsem bi sei anke de enim se uye din na ene time ni dru anu akwa akopie mu ho o de ya yanko ni enko tie de Deborah ekeka yen sem o kan ni bi ni ensambra.
You guys remember the execution they did in my old premises by towing my car and blah 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 no. My legal team fought against the execution because it was wrongfully done. Now this is just a page 1 of the ruling. If you are interested, you can ask me. I'll send the full pages to you. This judge John Bosco Nasabre is saying that of course they needed 7 days for the judgment to be effective. If I had failed to deliver the vehicle as the judge Olivia Owusu said within that 7 days, then they have the right. But then he's not going to set it aside because it was wrongfully done. He said he won't do it in his judgment. He's also adding that my lawyer insulted him. My lawyer said the judicial administration has been compromised because they were able to retrieve the judgment the previous judge on the case issued whilst we were still chasing the judgment. So this judge John Bosco Nabarese or Berese is saying that my lawyer insulted him because he said this. And in this ruling right now, you a judge, you are saying that yes, what they did was wrong, but You're not going to set aside the application. You are not going to allow them to bring the car back. You are joking. Even understanding why my lawyer will make such a remark, because you a judge, you are saying by the laws of this country what they did was wrong. So what is preventing you from setting aside this act that they have wrongfully done according to the law? Are you not working under the law? Or I don't get it. This is where it becomes very critical. Initially, we say we are going to allow you people that are sitting there to do what you want to do, but always remember, karma is real. The judicial system is presumed juju doesn't work there, but the moment you have entered somebody's mouth, you can be beaten. Kobisa, go and ask. Then you know that the small one you chop is smaller than your future. You are done. So how to manage and make your legacy, nice, and unless you don't want that legacy, and will help you achieve that. Be ready to dance to this drum you are beating. You cannot be sitting there chopping salaries that are coming from me, my menstruation, and still be trying to be sidelining me. People come to me, oh Debbie, I have this issue. Should I send it to court? I say, people are always in my DM, Debbie, I'm going through this. Should I proceed with court? Should I do this? I'm like, I try to position them and give them other avenues because I know our legal system. But always remember, the system you are working in, that particular one, even though it's an arm on its own, is full of spirits. And the spirits are amongst you all. So So yes, I am going to appeal again against this judgment. You just want to, this whole entire career you have built as an old man, that right now you should be doing the right things to go into pension and have peace of mind. You want to carry spirits that are younger with you, so you carry them. And by this admission, that your contempt case is dead on arrival. You have to know. So don't even pursue that. Okay? Even though he doesn't set aside the application, he admitting that what they did was wrong. Then you yourself that you say you want to come and file for contempt. You yourself, I don't know what you are doing in the legal system. I don't. So you people, you don't apply. I don't know. Okay,
Obusia wild when ye hubio. Na yesi kraman when you saw the kra na enye bolega dwom. Police station nim na woton wi Deborah. Inti eney omkopie mu court na ho e no bi ti a judge ne na so say judges for the omo ni time on the TikTok ne ade. Obi ti a ne na so say ababa awa no asem wei e no waka or the video si nanim e keka ansem sei. Inti ho no court dem on ye bo video no. Tomo bo video no e ne bisa Deborah ne lawyer ne say Deborah we hefa. E na lawyer say ne client no wentimi amma. Inti ho na judge ne ka say sadia police for mo dem ho no omon hwehwe Deborah bebi ombe hu ni bia bebi ombe hia Deborah bia omon so ni mu no metre de nti a ense so mo arresting for contempt. Inti bench warrant no eba ye na Deborah ebe kasa na ho no si o ho no bi kra edit sadi we sending no sense obi de tag no o si first nanka bench warrant ye bi na ope na court kro ya ka ne se bench warrant no enye possible na ene de na ono kro ni onya aware po se bench warrant bi wo yanko ni ko tie Deborah kasa ni emra.
A fan just reached me with this screenshot, and it's funny because this same bench warrant was what I was fighting for since the beginning of this whole brouhaha petitioning against the judge on my case, for the police disrespecting his orders, and he just issuing a bench warrant. He shouted in open court that he cannot do that. He cannot force them to come to court. And this is the same bench warrant I have been fighting for. I never knew there was a bench warrant there, but it has been issued against, me. And it's okay. I'm not going to run away. I'm going to present myself before the court duly because I'm a bona fide Ghanaian. I'm not going to run away from anybody or any case. This judge on my case, John Bosco Nabarese, claims I insulted him in my video because I spoke against the ruling where he said what they did, the execution they did was wrongfully done, but he was not going to set aside the application. This is what I said, and I advised everyone generally to just be careful wherever they are working, because Charlie, I am menstruating and we buy parts all the time, and it's taxpayers' money we pay government officials. So if we are still coming to government officials to solve our issues for us and they are sidelining us, I don't think as a Ghanaian I am going to keep quiet about it. And if it's because of this judge on my case feels I have insulted him, which I have not, then we should all prepare to point out the insult in my video. My video is going to be posted right after this, and I'm ready to avail myself to the court. Unless, of course, there's a police station that will call me for me to appear. Thank you.
Enwechi osanso kasa biom we de ekoma Ghana police o ka che Ghana police for say ono ade ne ho aba akwankwan hie ni me de me ho aba me ana mapa me ho asem nya mo pe bia mo fanya me Deborah so ono ade ne ho aba nti we de Ghana police bebia mo hia ni bia mo frɛ na obeba na ma obia e me ni gidigidi on pese obedragi obia ono Deborah no on pese obedragi obia. She doesn't like to do that.
Ghana Police Service, Michiamuni Nara. By now you guys have seen the petitions I've written against your officials. Ms. Remo, I beg you people. The judge on my case is citing me for contempt, okay? And has issued a bench warrant against me. You guys are on social media, so I'm formally reporting myself. If it's informally too, I'm reporting myself. Anywhere you want me, just let me know. I don't want any of your men to maltreat me, lay hands on me, No, I don't want that. If you want me, I know I am being wanted. So I will avail myself. But please, I don't want any of your men to lay hands on me. Because when they do that, I am going to petition against them. And I don't like doing that. It's like I'm worrying your colleagues. So please, I am informally or formally reporting myself. I am in communication with my lawyers as well. End of day today or tomorrow, I will avail myself to the court. Yes, and we are going to understand where the contempt came from. So I beg you, since you guys are on TikTok and we are all here and we are friends, police is a friend, no? I am reporting myself before any of your officials see me and lay hands on me or verbally abuse me or do something that is going to provoke me or be illegal. Because I am not a criminal. Thank you very much.
It's in name on the 15th and a court ebesan atna asem so. They say me ebehwe Deborah ni faith baby ebekwa ko dru se no bekwa ko yin nsema no eno me a wadome eye judge se ne a obetretre mu esiafa. They say the Mr. Nimakun ono de otene baby na Deborah na say no ono ka na ye gi won nsem no eno a na wonte ase akofa nsem we nyina aba no. Ebusuafo Sidechick de minim senka o ka wanu tum but Deborah de editwem. On the 15th, the Abeko to be hot on the case. Yeah, the bed bro. Now also when you be 80. Aha, Ray Talks podcast. Now hot on the case. Now the bro. Make sure to subscribe. So on yeah. Now I like you know, comment no share no be so you be a share. Yeah, cram.